Did you know you should be cleaning your washer at least 1 to 2 times per month? Introducing Bastion's washing machine cleaner. Simply follow the directions for fresh and clean washer. Make sure you use a washer cleaner tablet that is safe for your washer and septic safe like Bastion. Simply drop tablet into the drum. Now set washer to the clean washer cycle. The machine will do the hard part next, the washing. Once the wash cycle is complete, make sure to wipe away any residue. Don't forget to also wipe around the seals, mold tends to live there. Your washer is now all clean and ready to tackle some loads of laundry.